This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Melanie Grinley. This beautiful 1,898 square per foot log cabin sits on 3.58 acres in the gated community of Lakeland Estates. This 3-bedroom/2.5 bath, open floor plan, walkout basement and second downstairs den make it the ideal space for entertaining. Each bedroom has its own walk-in closet. The home features custom hickory cabinets, updated granite countertops, spacious pantry, 5-burner gas stove, stainless steel appliances and a gas log fireplace to cuddle up to in the living room. Whole house systems include a Generac generator, Rinnai tankless water heater, Impression Plus Backwashing Water Filtration, and Leaf Blaster Pro 6 inches commercial grade gutter guard elevate this cabin well above the average. Laundry hookups are located on both floors along with a main floor utility room and powder room, plus lower floor laundry/mechanical room and interior storage. Additionally, the home has security cameras, etc. Ignite fiberoptic, high-speed internet and is currently monitored by etc. security system with monitored smoke detectors. Privacy and seclusion add to the serenity found in this perfect mountain whisper retreat where wildlife abounds. Enjoy the beautiful outdoors while fishing in the property's 0.48 acre private pond. Plus its close proximity to Woodring Branch State Park and beautiful Carter's Lake provides additional outdoor activities such as freshwater fishing, swimming, and water sports within a short ride of 8 miles. The attached exterior tack/storage room, 2-car metal carport with 10x22 storage room and freestanding 8x10 greenhouse are ready to protect your vehicles, plants and outdoor tools/toys. Make this log cabin your home away from home or your new retreat to come home to every day. For more information, review the details.